Right, I've got a little bit of stripping to do today, but I've had that drum of earth cable for, well, I forgot it was stored under all this mess under here. It's been there for ages because getting round to stripping it sort of thing, when you've got stuff like that, you sort of, you go, oh, you got to cut it all up and you got, so, but then I've had an epiphany. And what I'm thinking of doing is weight bench, right? I'm hoping the drum fits in between the uprights on the weight bench. There's the bar. So what I'm hoping to do is set that up, put the bar through that, and then let it come from there across into the stripping machine, out of the stripping machine, and then what I'm going to do is just strip it as it comes out. So the copper falls in one pile and the skinning, the PVC falls in another pile. Whether that works or not is another matter, but I'm going to give it a go. Right, firstly, I think I need to lift the drum onto the weight bench. Now I need to get this through it. So through there. How much is on it? Right. So I need to lift this box out there and turn it at the same time, so I need more on this side. Oh, spot the mistake. I can't get that way around. Fucking hell. Ugh. I put it on upside down, you moron! Oh bollocks, I'm not changing it now. Apparently, there's 75 kilos on that drum. Is this going to work? I'm hoping that the machine can pull it. So I'm hoping that the machine has got enough to pull it through there, and then I can stand on the other side over there and just strip it as it comes off. I don't think it's going to work myself. Anyway, we'll have a look. Right, here we go. Strip machine plugged in. Be amazed if this works. No way. That is unreal. That is outrageous. Yes, boy. Disaster. Shit the bed. That was going too well, wasn't it, really? I'm going to pull the machine over now. Thought it was going too well. I think it was because it only got caught up in the drum itself. I don't think it was anything to do with the machine struggling. In fact, the machine was strong enough. Not that bad. I think if I'd let it come off the top though, I don't think that would have happened. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it and then I want to spin the drum round and let it come off the top, because I think with it pulling against itself, pulling underneath, I think that's what's causing that's what caused that blockage. Right, I want to do that. of this little bit. Coil this little bit up. From off the top this time. Put one of these jam that in there in the hope that it'll stop. That'll pull against all the rubbish and that'll just pull into it, I hope. Right, start it again. Brilliant, even unlooped itself. That's just going to come straight off the drum now. Class. There it is. The last bit. That is awesome. Well happy with that. So there it is. I know it's a mess now. But the thing is, at my reckoning, time you take off all the rubbish and the actual take the drum into account, I'd have said you're going to lose about 10 kilos, maybe not that. So if you look at that, 65 kilos on the floor, plus the little coil in there, and let's say for argument's sake it's still 6. So what's that? 360 quid. Just gone through that machine in about 20 minutes. Gotta be happy with that for Christmas. Splendid stuff. Right, now that's finished. I've got to do this, that. I think I'll get all of that done in the time I've got, but I will do some of it. Hopefully I can fill up that one and that one there with copper, which would be nice. And there's one tub full. I've got the coils there, so I'm going to lift them into the van now. They're not that heavy, they're not as heavy as they have been in the past, but there's still some weight in them. That's two in now. I've got another one to fill up, I hope, and then I might put just pile the long length on top. I'll see how it goes. Well, we've got the aluminium bag, not full, but there's a bit in it. There could be as much as, oh, I don't know, £6-7 in there. Right, I've got some long bits done. I've got some of the 185 single cores done, so they've got to go through again because I just took the armouring off them, the aluminium stuff in the bag. I'm going to take them, put them through now, and they're going to get thrown straight in the back of the van, and then that's me, because I need to leave by about 2:30, somewhere around that, because the close are at 4 and the scrapyard is quite a long way from where I live. Right, well, I was supposed to record myself stripping all of that, but I turned the recording off, so I've just got a load left now. What time is it? It is 17 minutes past 2. I need to get that stripped and sorted in the van by about 22:30, something like that, so it's going to be an effort. I'll see if I can do it. Right, bang on 2:30. But I need to go and get diesel because I've got 12 mile in the tank. So I'm going to go and get some diesel now and then shoot off to the scrapyard. But I said I needed to leave at 2:30 and it's bang on 2:30. So it's not too bad. I'm going to get a drink as well because I'm thirsty. Of course, it would be like Piccadilly Circus round here now. You live in the village. Right, I shall see you all in a bit when I've got rid of this rubbish. Right, just leaving the scrapyard. It's been a successful afternoon. Done alright. Not going to say exactly how much, but done alright. There was a fair lump, there was a fair weight. I managed to cut myself. It was bleeding, it's stopped now. But now, heading home, starting to get dark. It's bang on 4 o'clock. Scrapyard shuts at 4:30, so I've made it in decent enough time. And I'm going to try and do, I'll try and do a tool video. Just so you know, I'm not driving on public roads, I'm driving in the road coming out of the scrapyard, so we're not breaking the law. I'll probably do a tool video as to what tools I use and all that stuff over Christmas, and then we'll be back in the new year. So I shall see you soon. Now I am going onto the main road, so I'm going to go. Have a nice new Christmas and a merry year. See you later.